Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Home Baking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make a very popular cheesecake nowadays, the matcha cheesecake. What is matcha? Matcha is a very fine powder made of green tea leaves. Of course, the best and finest matcha can be found in Japan. So I'm using a very authentic matcha powder straight from Japan. This matcha cheesecake is not only delicious, but it is also packed with excellent health benefits, like it is an antioxidant, it detoxifies the body, it calms the mind and the body, it lowers cholesterol and blood sugar. This episode is dedicated to my second son, Sir Aragon, who is celebrating his birthday this coming August 7. Yes sir, this is for you. Happy birthday. I love you. Okay, let's start. The ingredients are, for the crust, 1 1/4 cup of crust Marie biscuits, 3 tablespoons of white sugar, 1/3 cup of melted butter, and of course 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. For the cheesecake, 2 packs of 225 grams of cheesecake, 1 all-purpose cream, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or calamansi juice, 3/4 cup of white sugar, 2 whole eggs plus 1 egg yolk, 3 tablespoons of flour, and 3 tablespoons of matcha powder. Let's start mixing. For the crust, first we're going to prepare our pan. This is an 8 inches spring-form pan lined with wax paper at the bottom. We're going to wrap our pan with aluminum foil. Because we're going to bake this Baño Maria style, so to prevent the water from getting inside your cheesecake. Then another one on the other side. Set this aside. For the crust, let's add the Marie biscuit. Then 1 teaspoon of matcha powder. Let's add the sugar. Then add the melted butter. Let's add 1 more teaspoon of matcha powder. Let's add drops of green food color. For this mixture, press the crust lightly. Then use a glass, the bottom of the glass. set aside and chill this for a few minutes. For the cream, we're going to use this blender. This is all-purpose cream plus 1 teaspoon of calamansi juice or lemon juice. Or this is a sour cream. We're going to add 3 tablespoons of matcha powder. This is 1 tablespoon. So 3 tablespoons of matcha powder. Cream cheese filling, beat this until light and fluffy. Once in a while, scrape the bottom. Add the sugar. Add eggs one at a time. Add the cream and the matcha. Add a little food color, green food color. Add the cornstarch. Going to make a darker shade topping. For the design, add more matcha, a little green food color, and a little yellow. We're going to transfer this in a piping bag. Going to pass this through a sieve so that this will become smooth. And then for the design, bake this Banya Maria style. Let's cover with foil. Bake this at 320 for 30 minutes and then at 300 for an hour to 1.5 hours. Now my matcha cheesecake is out of the oven, baked at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes and then at 300 for 2 hours. Then I turned off the oven and let it stay there for 2 hours. Now we're going to let this cool before we chill for at least 4 hours. Now our cheesecake has cooled and then chilled for 4 hours. Now we're going to unmold. There, so pretty. Now look at my matcha cheesecake. So pretty and so delicious. There you have it, my matcha cheesecake. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!